There it is. Piece of junk, according to me. The reason I'm posting this review video is because I don't want other people to waste their money like I did. I plugged this thing in, I used it for about 10 minutes, and it's going to go straight into the garbage can. That is the Worx Edger and Trencher. These are the results of the Worx Edger and Trencher. I bought it months ago. I finally set it up. It's going to go in the garbage this weekend. It is noisy. I don't feel safe using it. A lot of people online say you need to cut off the safety thing so that you can see what you're doing. I had no idea what I was doing. I know they've got a little piece of metal in there that you put against this side, and then the edger goes on the lawn. But you can't see what you're doing. So you can see it makes an absolute total mess. It's very noisy. It's uncomfortable to use. I got over here. I couldn't see what I was doing. It ripped the heck out of the lawn. You can see I'm holding the edge, and then all of a sudden it goes a couple inches into the right. User error, yeah. First time, yes. If I have to have this much trouble to use something like this, then I shouldn't be using it. So look at that. This is ridiculous. And look at this mess. All this dirt blowing into my nasal system. I know you can buy a mask, but come on. Years ago, decades ago, they had the gas edgers. They were beautiful. They did a nice job. This thing was ripping into the brick constantly. I couldn't see what I was doing. Look at this. So, $100 and whatever going down the drain. That's my fault. I'll never buy another Worx product again. I'm not going to get my money back. As I said, it's going in the garbage can. Look at the total mess that this thing is. Unbelievable. Piece of junk. You might like it. Other people out there might like it. I'm sure a lot of people who buy something like this are very unhappy.